Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is this file called dump section, and what it does is it it cuts a certain portion of video that you want and save it into another file. And so I'll show you what it does in action. But once you download the script, the first thing you need to do is you need to change this to wherever you want to save your the output of the file. So I'm going to save it into my videos folder. And in addition to that, this script also saves the well, actually, this script uses FFmpeg to cut the certain section of video that you want to keep. And by default, it saves it as MP4. And the reason for that is because MP4 will save subtitles, but you can also change it to TS if that's what you want. And the hotkeys for this script is Control S to mark the starting point, Control E to mark the end point, and then Control A is to change the container to either TS or MP4. By default, it's set to MP4. Okay, so let me go ahead and close this. Alright, so let's play this one. Okay, and let me open this one. Alright, so let me go ahead and enlarge it. So let's say, for example, I want to start cutting. So actually, let me there you go. Okay, so I want to start cutting from here, so I'll hit the Control S and pay attention to what's happening up here on the, well, actually, let me get rid of that. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay, so let's say I want to start cutting. There we go. Okay, so let's say I want to start cutting here. So I do Control S, and it says Start Marked. Okay, and then let me move it over here, and then and this is where I want to end it. Control E, and then it tells me that the dump is complete. And there's our file right there. Yep. So the actual cutting is not precise. Sometimes it's a few seconds before, sometimes it's a few seconds after, and that's because of the keyframing within the encoding of the video. So if you want accuracy, then you'll have to do transcoding. This script doesn't do transcoding, so therefore it works on low-end PCs or low-end computers like a Raspberry Pi. That's why there's no transcoding. So let me close this and let me show you again. Okay, so let me play this. Alright, so let's say I want to start my cut here, Control S. Okay, and then I want to end my cut here, Control E. And there you go. There's the file right there. So right now this only works on local files. It doesn't work on streaming. So just be sure that you're going to use this on local files only.